Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Esewa not using KYC. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. If you have a trusted friend or family member who has a verified Esewa account, you can transfer funds to them. They can withdraw the money for you. Note that transfer fees may apply. Esewa sometimes allows bank transfers for non-KYC accounts up to a certain limit. Check your account to see if you have a bank transfer option available. Then visit an Esewa agent, often local shops or vendors, and see if they provide cash-out services. Some agents might assist you with small withdrawals even without KYC. This will likely include additional charges and may not be available everywhere. You can use your Esewa balance for mobile top-ups, utility bill payments, or online purchases bypassing the need to withdraw cash. So that's how to withdraw money from Esewa without kick. And that's it, you are done.